everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a method I've been using a lot for large farmhouse signs, the half fold method. You can also use this for large wall decals, but this makes it really simple to center your decal wherever you want it and apply it all at one time. So I'm starting with a large decal, and I uploaded this into Cricut Design Space, and I used the slice tool to divide it into areas I could cut out. Then I went ahead and placed the entire decal while I want it to line up with my sign. I'm going ahead and making sure that all of my words are lined up and that everything is exactly where I want it on my sign so that I don't have to move or adjust anything. I want to be able to remove the backing without actually moving anything, so I'm going to be placing my transfer tape and removing the backing in sections. I'm using 12-inch wide transfer tape, but no matter what size you use, make sure to just take this really slow and make sure your letters stay in place where they belong as you are placing your tape. Now I just want to take my squeegee and rub over all of the letters. I'm not rubbing any other parts, just around the letters, and I'm doing this to adhere the letters to the transfer tape. Now I'll just fold over half of the decal and remove that half of the backing. Mine is already cut here at the back, but you can take a small pair of scissors and split your backing wherever you want it to stop. If you have trouble removing backing from your vinyl, and this is Oracal 651 vinyl, which I usually like really good, but sometimes the backing wants to stick, so I found that if I just use 2 fingers and a really light pulling motion back and forth, that the backing comes off much easier. Make sure your letters are adhered to the transfer tape really well, and just take a very light touch with 2 fingers and pull it up and away. Now I'm just going to lift the whole thing up and flip it over and start gently rubbing down all of the letters, making sure that all the letters stay in place and making sure that there's no wrinkles or anything underneath the letters. Now I'm just going to repeat the other side in the same way, and after all the backing is removed, I will just rub down my letters and remove the transfer tape. So I hope you guys found this helpful in placing those large decals and making your farmhouse signs. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.